Hello, my name is Allie Ramsey. Welcome to my Emergent Literacy e-unit on sharing and its importance. This unit takes a balanced literacy approach to supporting emergent readers of all levels. This e-unit is focused on second grade readers and aligns with New Jersey Common Core literacy and reading learning standards. My e-unit is filled with kinesthetic learning for students and the use of scaffolding as needed. My e-unit is made up of 4 different sections to support students' emergent literacy growth. Students will develop reading skills, phonological awareness, and word recognition skills. These 4 sections are put into place to teach my students skills and abilities that good readers possess. This is my related literature page. I created a related literature page that is filled with age-appropriate books related to my e-unit theme sharing. I have included a wide range of different reading levels because not all students read at the same level. I have also put easy-to-read books in my shared reading for students with specific learning needs. As you can see, there is a wide variety of books that cover a broad range of situations where sharing is prevalent. The characters range from humans to talking trees to animals and to sea animals. I chose these books because one book is bound to stand out and spark the interest of a student. Next is my shared reading plan. My shared reading plan is based on the book The Rainbow Fish, written and illustrated by Marcus Fisher. My shared reading plan emphasizes on the 5 major focuses, which are alphabet knowledge, phonological or phonemic awareness, sight words, analyzing words, and phonics. I use the approach of kinesthetic learning with hands-on activities for each of the 5 major focuses to engage my students in their learning. The first focus has to do with alphabet knowledge. Knowing all of the letters in the alphabet is important for beginning readers. I chose an activity called Alphabet Fishing and Matching Game. Students will be asked to fish for an upper or lowercase letter, say what the sound the letter makes, and give a word beginning in that letter. My second focus is phonological or phonemic awareness. I chose the activity called Bingo Chip Segmenting. I will say words out loud from the rainbow fish that have 1 to 6 phonemes in them, and students will pick up chips while sounding out each of the sounds. My third focus on sight words includes an activity called Rainbow Fish Sight Word Scales. Here students will write common words found in the book The Rainbow Fish on the rainbow scales provided to them so that they can study them at home. Focus 4 is analyzing words. I chose the activity called musical blending, where students start with a card in their hands that has a letter on it. They will walk around a circle with pre-labeled plates that have endings. When the music stops, students will stop in front of the plate and try to make a real word. This technique is game-based learning. The 5th and final focus is phonics. I chose the activity Sound Cups. Cups labeled from A to Z will be on a table along with small toys. Students will place the small toys in the cup that has its beginning letter. Next is my guided reading plan. I chose to do mine on the book Llama Llama Time to Share, written and illustrated by Anna Dewey. The guided reading plan has 5 parts. These are the 5 parts. During the guided reading part of my e-unit, students will first be prepared to read by me building upon their prior knowledge and asking them questions to activate their learning. Students will also predict what's going to happen in the story. They will also go over vocab words and words they may not understand. We will discuss what we have learned and the sequence of events that took place in the book. This will allow students to identify cause and effect relationships. Here's my ebook on sharing called Little Bear Learns to Share. My ebook supports emergent literacy because it includes rhyming, repetition, and common vocab words. Students will be encouraged to write and create their own books in class. And that is my emergent literacy e-unit on sharing. Thank you for watching.